Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, I got a whole bunch of stuff in yesterday, and I'm just gonna record them and just let them go throughout the week. I don't have much coming in, as in having placed any more orders. Like I've told you guys, I'm kind of slowing down on that. This is just like stuff that's been held up in the mail or delayed shipping, and they all just kind of hit me on one day. But today, I have a new Hedgehog Hollow subscription kit to share with you. I don't know if this is the December one or the January. I don't pay attention. I don't have her open on my... Let's see. Let me peek real quick and figure out which one this is. Hi. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, if you're watching this one, then you probably caught the room update that I posted last night. As I mentioned in that video, while I had intended to start vacation, spending 100% of it on the craft room, I didn't do it. It was the first real vacation I'd had in almost 2 years, because the last one I took, I had the flu. It sucked. So I just kind of worked in here. I worked in here quite a bit. I actually got a lot done. And then made some decisions that on placement that actually kind of slowed things up. But on the bright side, I know where something, items are going. But I realized I've got a 3-day weekend coming up, y'all. So I'll be working on the craft room again all weekend. So you guys will be getting another update again later this week. And my husband is on board. I have told him that I am grounded upstairs. Any free time, if I'm not crafting, I have to be working on the craft room, organizing, and just, yeah. So I'm like, you have permission to ground me. But anywho, there's that. So, but we're gonna get. Oh, I was supposed to check on the subscription box, huh? I also mentioned. So this is the January, and does it say what the theme is? It looks like the theme is coffee. I hope that's the case. Supposedly this kit is available. You can order it till the 14th, or before the 14th. If you order after that, if you order on the 15th or later, you'll receive the February box. So it looks like it came with a clear binder. And I think something in here goes to this, but that was part of it. And let's see. I can't remember if this... I think this one was an iffy one for me. So, the theme apparently of this one is a book is a dream you hold in your hands. And then this talks about what is in the kit. One more chapter 6x8 stamps. Okay, so there's a stamp set. There's a coffee book set. There's this soft PVC 6-ring binder. Preview of new Maker Forte colors in a 5-pack of cardstock. Yeah, I don't think I was too excited about this kit. There's like really nothing in it. And the kit, yeah, I'm not really excited about this kit. The stamps are cute, but I think for the value, it's eh. Well, I'll just say it's eh. I think I get the rolling 6-month. I'm not sure. It's $38.39. And then I think there's shipping on top of that. I don't know. Anywho, let's see the rest of it. So there's this little stamp set here. A good book has no ending. Reading gives us some place to go. When we have to stay where we are. Oh, I read that wrong. Reading gives us some place to go when we have to stay where we are. If we lose ourselves in books, we find ourselves there too. When in doubt, read a book, and so many books, so little time. I think the reason why I stuck with this one is my daughter she is an avid reader, is always reading, and so I think that's why I went ahead and did not pause this book, I think. So there's a bookmark set in here. So these are strips, bookmark size cardstock strips. So we have black, this lavender. I like this one. This is like a purple. It's a blue, but there's like a purple tint to it. We have the pretty blush pink. And I'm not going to call this mint, but it's along the lines of mint. It's a little teal. I don't know. Anyway, so there's the bookmark strips. So there's that. Then there is this stamp set. Reading is dreaming with your eyes open. No two persons ever read the same book. That is so true. Book nerd, and just one more chapter. Yeah, this is why I kept this one. This is my daughter on a stamp set. Now, if they just had her in gym clothes reading a book, then it would be perfect, because my daughter lives in gym clothes. I think this is adorable. She's sitting, her cute little skirt, her face buried in the book. Between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. And then, again, the face in the book, and then, I don't know, what is that, a book bouquet? I don't know. It's really pretty, though. So, and this stamp set is called One More Chapter. And then the last stamp set, yes, I'm telling you, this is it. The last item in this kit. Like I said, I'm not really impressed with this one. This one is called Coffee and Books. And I do like the bookmark stamps. These, I think these ones I would have more fun stamping on, like Nina Solar White, since that's really good for alcohol markers, or on watercolor paper for watercolor. And then, you know, doing an emboss and then coloring. So yeah, drink coffee, read books, love life. So, that's it, y'all. That is the Hedgehog Hollow January kit. And I'm not... The items that came in it, I like. I could do without this. I still didn't quite understand the concept of this. Maybe I will turn this into like a swatch book. Like, I can just keep all my swatches in here. That might be a thing. I'll have to figure that out. But there's that. A couple strips of cardstock, and yeah. And so, like I said, I like the items that came, but if it weren't for the theme, I would have passed on this one. I was still, and I've said before, Hedgehog Hollow, I watch to decide, because quite often I've seen some come through that I found to be a want, like it was a total not hit for me. And but you know, everybody has their own style, their own likes, and so just because I don't like one doesn't mean it's not something you're in love with. You know what I mean? Like, you know, I might like cats, but you love dogs. So that's where I'm going with that. So this is a subscription box that I would just watch monthly, see if it's something that's up your alley or, you know, sparks your spark, and go from there. So with that, I'll include a link to Alex to her website, so you can go check it out. And the February one won't show up until the 15th of this month. And honestly, I just go to her YouTube channel to find out what it is. I usually see it there before I see it posted onto the website. So, anywho, that's that. I'm actually recording this Monday night. You guys are watching it on Tuesday. And I'm going to start getting ready for bed because my bedtime starts here in a minute. And tomorrow, y'all will be seeing the Tonic Craft Kit number... Hold on and I'll tell you. I just got it today as well. I think this is number 40. Hold on. Nope, number 39. We will be seeing the Tonic Craft Kit number 39 tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. Then I have a close to my heart order to share with y'all. I will share that on Thursday. It was an order I placed to meet my quarterly sales to remain an active consultant with them. I didn't broadcast it out there because I don't like asking for orders. And but I do share with you guys the items that I choose from our line. So anywho, with that, y'all have a fabulous Tuesday, and I will be seeing you later. Don't forget, I will be giving so I showed an update yesterday on the craft room. You will be seeing at least one, if not two more updates this coming week as I work on it. You'll see a bigger change on Monday because I will have, or Monday night, because I will actually have a 3-day weekend to work on it again. So yeah, so with that, love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting, and continued prayers that I get this room done, because Lord, is it a journey. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.